Play it. 7 lonely days and a dozen tons ago, I reached out one night and you were gone. I don't know why you're drunk, what you're running to or from. All I know is I want to bring you home. So I'm walking through the rain, thumbing for a ride on a slowly Kentucky back road. I've loved you much too long, my love's too strong to let you go, never knowing what went wrong. Kentucky rain is pouring down, and up ahead's another town that I'll go walking through with the rain in my shoe. Searching for you, yeah. Oh, Kentucky rain, hey, hey, yeah. Oh, Kentucky rain. Go. Showed you photographs to some old gray-bearded men sitting on a bench outside General Store. Said yes, she's been here, but their memory wasn't clear. Was it yesterday? No way, the day before. Then I finally caught a ride with a preacher man who asked where you're bound on such a cold, dark afternoon. As he drove on through the rain, as he listened, I explained. Then he left me with a prayer that I find you. Kentucky rain is pouring down, and up ahead's another town that I'll go walking through with the rain in my shoe.
Rain in my shoe.
Do it, man. Searching for you, yeah. Oh, Kentucky rain, hey, hey, yeah. Oh, Kentucky rain, oh, yeah. Oh, Kentucky rain, hey, yeah. Oh, Kentucky, go! Yeah. Kentucky rain, thank you very much.